All right, so in this video course, I'm going to show you how to build a simple web app to make money online without writing a single line of code. Now, what I'm going to show you is a step-by-step guide on how to actually build a functional web applications that you can sell or that you can use to make money online without writing a single line of code. And all this is possible with artificial intelligence. Now, before we go further to everything that you need to know and what you're going to learn, I think I need to show you one of my recent projects. So one of my recent projects is my mood app.netify.app. So this project is designed for a particular demography, the Christian demography. And although this app is not fully functional, it is the improved MVP of the app, minimum viable product. But it actually fetched me some money through the donation app, so that donation function, so that people can actually donate to support the development of the app, those that are interested. But this is how the app works. All you have to do is share your modes that you want guidance on. Let's say you want guidance on depression, right? So all you have to do is just choose how to receive the guidance. You can get motivation, mind of God, prayer, someone above reference. Although someone above reference is the only one functional right now, because of course I told you it's an MVP. So when you click on it and click on make it better, everything that you need to know about depression will be printed out for you in this section. So when it's printed out for you, all you have to do is go through it, get someone inspiration, maybe for your personal experiences or for your Christian gathering and every other thing. And so you will be able to use this and go further with the information that you received. So this is a beautiful app that I built, and I did not write a single line of code building this app. And you're going to be building other web applications that I'm going to be sharing with you, and through that you can actually make money for yourself. What do you need to know before we get started? So the first thing you need to know is to understand basic file system. For example, on your desktop or on your laptop, when you open your laptop, there are some file system that you can see. For example, this is one of the apps that I built, an SEO app. So this is a combination of many files that are they are under this SEO folder, right? And then we have different folders inside there and different files. And inside these folders, you also have other files and folders. So if you understand how this thing work on your laptop or your computer, you understand how to work with this particular um, tutorial that I'm going to be sharing with you. So that's the first thing. The second thing is you need to understand web design, just the concepts, not the actual workings, just the concept. And you can use that, you can learn that in 10-15 minutes using ChatGPT or Claude AI to teach you everything about web design and the simple writing programming language that are there, like HTML and CSS. And then just I give you the overview. With the overview, that's all you need, so that you can understand some minor languages. So that's that about what you need to know. So what are the things that you're going to learn? So there are three things majorly that you're going to learn. First is you're going to learn the different tools to build a simple web app. And without wasting your time, let me show you the tool. Right, the first tool that we're going to be using, although there are many, but this tool is where I actually get things started. So the first tool is lovable.dev. This is becoming my love, but I actually prefer the second one when it comes to building what's it called, complex projects or better UI. Actually, this mode app that I built was built by the second, which is boot.new. Boot.new. It's a wonderful platform, but you have to have a deeper understanding of what you're doing to get things going when it comes to this platform, because sometimes when it comes to complex applications you cannot do them on this application. You keep getting errors, right? But there are other AI tools that you can use to do complex application. For example, the my mood app, I started with Bo.new and ended with another app called Custom AI, right? But these are the two major things that you need. You can build a functional web application, simple web applications using this platform, and you can actually start making money with them, right? So those are the two things that you need to, tools that we are going to, that you need to know if you want to build a simple web application. So the second thing is you are going to learn how to build that application itself. So I'm going to be starting from scratch. I'm going to be building a simple project for you so that everything will be easy for you going forward. So we're going to be building a simple web application, and I'm going to show you how things work. So for example, what consists of a web application is the UI, that means the front end that the user will be interacting with, and then the back end that will actually be working behind the scenes to give the user that is working in the front end the response that they are expecting. So that's simply how web application works, right? So the last thing is I'm going to show you how to launch it in the cloud. For example, my mode app is launched on a platform called Netlify, right? It's launched on a platform called Netlify. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So you have to first move it to GitHub, and from GitHub you move it to the cloud where you can connect your own domain and every other thing to it. So after all this, I am going to show you an extra tutorial on how to actually monetize the app that we're going to be building in this course. So that's that you need to know. And in the next video, I'm going to be showing you the prompts that we are going to be using to build the app, and then we'll get started in building our first app.